Linking your bank to Linux Foundation training can streamline your payment process for courses. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Create a Linux Foundation account. Visit the Linux Foundation website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Settings. In your account dashboard, look for the Payment Settings or Billing section. Click on this option to access the area where you can link your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank information. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with linking. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Linux Foundation training account, making it easier to manage your course payments.